Welcome to Minnesota West Community and Technical College. Register for a course tutorial. Begin by logging into eServices and selecting Courses and Registration in the left-hand menu. Select the first link that says Search for a Course. Make sure Minnesota West Community and Technical College is selected under the College/University drop-down menu. Choose your campus under the Campus drop-down. We will use any campus for this tutorial. Choose the semester you want to register for in the Semester drop-down. You will choose your courses under the Subject drop-down. We will select Accounting as an example. If you do not know your course number, you can search by subject only to find your desired course. For this example, we will continue with the course number 1120. Select the Search button. The courses you are searching for will appear. Select the plus icon to add it to your wish list. A pop-up will appear confirming that the course has been added to your wish list. Select OK. You should be redirected to the Review My Plan page. If you are not, select Review My Plan in the left-hand menu. Select the checkbox at the top to register for all your added courses. Click Select Courses to proceed to register. You will need to enter in your Star ID password to register. You will get a confirmation to confirm your course registration.